Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to set up C in Visual Studio Code. Before we get started, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Alright, let's jump right into it. First things first, open Visual Studio Code on your machine. Setting up C in Visual Studio Code requires a bit of preparation. Make sure you have a C compiler installed on your system. This could be GCC for Linux or MinGW for Windows. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to set up your environment in Visual Studio Code for C programming. Begin by creating a new file. Navigate to the top menu, click on File, and then choose New File. Save this file with a .c extension, which is essential for C programming. Now for the crucial part, installing the C/C++ extension from Microsoft. Head over to the extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar, or just press Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for the C/C++ extension and install it. This extension provides IntelliSense, debugging, and code browsing features in VS Code. With the extension installed, let's write some C code. If you're new to C, start with a simple program like Hello World. VS Code's IntelliSense will help you with code completion and syntax suggestions. After writing your code, remember to save it. Hit Ctrl+S on Windows and Linux, or Command+S on macOS. To compile and run your C program, open the integrated terminal in VS Code. You can do this by going up to the top menu, clicking on Terminal, and then selecting New Terminal. In the terminal, use your compiler to compile the code. For GCC, the command would be something like gcc-o program.c. Then run your compiled program by typing /program, and that's it. You're all set to start coding in C using Visual Studio Code. If this video was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy coding in C, and I'll see you in the next video.